This here is for your thermostat for your furnace. Up on top you got an on-off switch. You have to push it over. It is kind of stout, so don't be scared of it. Stuff. Then you go ahead and you set your temperature. The fan comes on first. Roughly about 45 seconds after the fan comes on, that's when it tries to light. So it'll be like a couple minutes where you start feeling heat coming out the front.
So again, self-lighting.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Best thing when you get home, let it run for a while. Because they do put like an oil coating on it and stuff. And
Smell. Okay.
Don't let it run for half an hour. Make sure it burns it all off. So that's GFI there. Air conditioner, it's a regular window shaker.